Hey friends, Matt Reisinger from The Build Show. I want to talk to you about Henry Blueskin VP100 self-adhering WRB. This is a house wrap that has a sticky back on it, so it's a self-adhering house wrap as they call it. And the idea is when we stick this to our building, I've got a little mock-up I'm about to show you, it will provide not just water barrier, but it will provide an air barrier as well. Now for years I used house wrap, and house wrap is good at shedding water, but you know what house wrap's not good at? Air tightness, right? If I staple this up, I can still easily get air to flow around this. The other thing though that this doesn't do, and most house wraps don't do, they don't self-seal around fasteners, screws, nails, that sort of thing, whereas this Henry Blueskin will. So let's put that to the test. Now I've got a sample of the Blueskin VP100. Again, let's put a towel on here. We're just gonna unpeel this. It's got a dual release layer, by the way, which is really helpful. So let's go ahead and dual release this on here. And then I'm gonna pull the next release layer. I love it, that's easy to work with. Look at that. Think about that in terms of air tightness. There's no air blowing behind that to get any seams on your sheathing. And again, I've got my paper towel back there. This time, let's put some screws in it, because that's an even fatter fastener that will, I think, test our self-sealing. Now, an even worse color, red Gatorade. We're gonna pour the whole bottle out slowly. I'm gonna try and really concentrate on getting it where those screws are. Okay, good drainage efficiency, by the way. I think this product has a 95% drainage efficiency. The other thing that's worth pointing out is this happens all the time where we back out a screw, we put a fastener in, but think about that with a full peel and stick. Maybe we'd get a little bit of water in there, but because this is fully adhered, we're not gonna get that mushroom cloud of water like we would if this was a staple on. And let's pull it off, see how we did. You're gonna find out the same moment I do whether we passed or not. Oh man, check that out, look at that, nothing. Nice and clear. Way to go, guys. How about that? So there you go. The self-sealing on this product, fantastic. And the fact that it sticks permanently, if we did get a little bit of incidental water in there, it's not gonna get behind and cause that rot cloud all the way below that small hole that was created in the fastener. Guys, this is a really cool product. Remember, this is vapor open, 95% drainage efficiency. It's gonna stop that unwanted air infiltration that your standard staple on house wraps are not gonna do. This is gonna allow the walls to breathe, as they say. That's really just a euphemism for it's vapor open. Water can move through it, it can dry through it. This is gonna increase greatly your energy efficiency by reducing heating and cooling loads. This is gonna prevent trapped moisture, which is increasing your wall durability, and it's gonna maintain a dry and energy efficient wall for decades to come. Lastly, if you use this as part of their system, they're gonna give you a 15-year warranty if you use the Henry flashings and sealants. That's part of the Henry 123 warranty system. You can learn more on the website, but I gotta say, I'm a big fan.